Let us now proceed to the external environmental analysis of this strategic plan. First one is the demographic segment, and under this segment is the age. Smart telecommunication ensure that different age group can access their product and services. In this kind of service, smart telecommunication will be able to expand their market targets around the world. The table shows the different products and services offered and is available to the different age groups. The next one is the income. Smart Telecom has become the leading wireless company in the Philippines by paying attention to the needs of the country's low-income market. They created innovative products and services designed specially for the low, middle, and lower-income consumer, thereby growing their prepaid subscriber base and in turn steadily generating income from these subscribers. The table shows how Smart Telecom takes consideration between the different income earners. And lastly for this segment is the location. Smart is a widely known telecom company in both rural and urban that can provide best product services. In some rural areas where signal Wi-Fi is weak, Smart offers affordable calls and text promos. For those subscribers who live abroad, Smart also offers international service including roaming. The table shows availability of Smart products and services anywhere to anyone.